In this video, I'll show you how to copy a table from ChatGPT to Microsoft Word without losing any formatting. Here's a table. Usually, when you try to copy this table into Microsoft Word, it doesn't keep the format. To fix this, just go to Google, search for Bibsit, and click on the first result. You'll find an option for MassiveMark AI-powered document creator. Click on Try Now. Then go back to ChatGPT and select the table you want to format properly. Remember, don't copy the table by just selecting it. Instead, use the copy option at the bottom. Click on that, then return to the MassiveMark playground. Click the red icon, paste your content, and then click Insert. As you can see, our table now keeps the correct formatting. If you want to add more content, just click the red icon again, paste your content, and click Insert. Now you can see the table has been added twice. You can keep adding your content like this. Once you're done, you can use the formatting options at the top if you want. When you're finished, just click Download. You'll see the option to Download as Doc. Click on it, and a Microsoft Word document will be downloaded. If I open this document, you can see the table is perfectly formatted. Now you can make any changes you want in Word. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.